Shalom to all my brothers and sisters and dearest friends. This is Rabbi Cohen Tzedek from Nidai Yerushalayim. Okay, this week's parsha is Parashat Bechukotai, which means my laws. So just a short explanation of the beginning of this parsha. God says to Jewish nation, if you follow my laws and listen to Torah and do the mitzvot, I give you basically all the blessings. And if not, God forbid, all the curses. So now, but we are going to speak about just the word bechukotai, my laws. Basically, there are two laws in the world: the law of human being and the law of God. For example, gravity is godly law. The world rules based on this law. The law of God is eternity. It never changes. The law of man is something that always constantly changes. Every country, they change the constitution every not every month, every year, every few years. They're always changing their laws. But godly law is eternal. It never changes. What is godly law? Is the law that God taught us in Mount Sinai, the 10 Commandments. And these 10 Commandments, they are divided to 613 detailed mitzvot, commandments of God. Now, of course, there is a war between the law of man and the law of God. We always try to make it easier for us, but no matter what we do, we cannot overrule and change godly laws. If we follow our own laws, and if we think that we are going to have a good life by following our desires and things that attract us, and live an earthly law and life, so eventually godly law is going to override and win our law. And I think if we think about it and see that for past few thousand years that God gave his 10 commandments to Jewish nation, and this is the secret of our existence and our eternity. Shabbat Shalom.